Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to my preclinical campus yet again, although for different reasons. I'm going with my class this time around. We want to see the VC and let him know our complaints as a class. I hope it turns out well. I'm not on uniform, by the way. My uniform is in my bag. When I get to the hostel, I'll change into my uniform.
Many hours later.
Guys, we have arrived. We are waiting for everybody to gather around so that we'll meet with the school management. I just hope things turn out well because the clinical hostel that they gave to us for this 400 level is beautiful on the outside, but it needs a lot of maintenance and some other internal issues that we have that we want to take care of. I'll just see you guys later, Sha.
I've been able to channel that and then talk with him in a way. Though he did not ask me to see you. He is in a meeting. And that is preparing for council meeting tomorrow. University Government Council. And it's not something I can go and bring him and say, come and talk with these people.
Many hours later.
Oh, finally, after all the waiting, we are on our way back home now.
Yeah, there for anybody who they use phone, they tell to you, go tell you to it.
Hey guys, just got back home, so tired and exhausted as you can see on my face. But thank God everything we went to see the VC for, it was successful. Everything has been approved. There is really power in solidarity. I just love the fact that my class came together and we had one voice. We spent that amount of money to travel the journey back to our preclinical campus just to let our voice heard. I'm just trying to warm up some soup and make curry to eat. I'm so hungry. I've not eaten since morning. Then I'll do some washing later on this night with this light. Now that I've seen light. Bye, please. I'm too hungry.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. It's another day. Imagine no light at the hostel. See how everybody is trying to charge phone.
Several days later.
So hi guys, hello. Please don't mind my sister, I beg you people. So I want to do smoothie to add weight actually. So they told me that I need banana, whole milk, yogurt and groundnut. So that's what I want to do. There is groundnut inside here already. It's just 15 naira groundnut. So I'm going to put 2 of these. Hi. You should not mind my sister, please. That's the second one now. For yogurt, I like to use Hollandia plain sweetened yogurt. I'm going to use a spoon of whole milk. This is not normal skim milk. See it? Full cream milk. That's what I'm using. Last but not the least, I'll put very little water, not so much. Time to blend. I finished. Let me see what it tastes like. Go see the consistency. So freaking thick. Let's see. I don't like it. But I guess when it's frozen or probably very chill, I'm going to prefer it. Let's turn it into the container that we'll take it to the freezer. Let's check this out. Ready for my freezer.
Many hours later.
I want to eat roasted yam and sauce. My God. So let me show you. This is onion and fresh pepper. This is my ice fish. I want to roast it in the microwave oven. Use what? 2 chargers. Why will I use 2 chargers to charge my power bank? Hey, wait.
They are different.
I can only.
Don't forget this pot.
So I'll put a pinch of salt. Next is Maggi. This is not even, this is like a pinch of Maggi. Next, I'm putting this. So guys, I want to keep this in the fridge for a while I'm peeling the yam so that it would marinate.
A few moments later.
Guys, I know you guys won't believe it, but I'm just coming back. I had to go get plantain because my yam, when I opened it to peel, I discovered the whole yam is bad. My 800 naira gone. So we are going to use both ripe and unripe plantain. We're going to roast it.
I don't want this to show. I don't think I have time.
How freaking no, girl. Guys, I am done. So I'm going to put this into the microwave now. Just praying that it will work while I beg. Because it's, you see how it's stacked in the plate. It's like it's a lot. But let's see how it goes.
Shit, man.
Let's put the fish. So guys, let's make our sauce. I've put salt and maggi already. So guys, this is garden egg leaves to keep this a bit healthy. Finally the fish is out. See how dry it is. Check out this goodness, guys. Oh my god. Guys, we have our supposed oven roasted plantain, we have our fish, we have our sauce, and we have cucumber. My sister is around. Okay, so we have our meal. Taste test. What do you think? Be honest though.
And try them.
What's the problem?
I prefer the sauce.
Okay, the sauce is very nice.
Oh
my god. I think the plantain is really chewy. It's not as crisp as proper roasted plantain is supposed to be.
Well, try. Manageable.
Jesus Christ. On a scale of 10, how many?
For the plantain, on a scale of 10,
Oh my
I'll
god.
give it like 3 or 4.
Jesus. Then what about the sauce?
Oh, very delicious.
On a scale of 10, how many?
10 over 10. Oh my god! The sauce is very delicious.
This fish, let's see. The fish is really dry. What do you think? How is the fish? The taste is okay.
Roasted.
On the scale of 10, how many for the fish?
6.
Oh my god, this girl is wicked. So I've tried it out and I would recommend. I won't do this next time.
We'll do it the way we normally do it.
Yeah, next time I'm going to do the fancy in quotes roasted plantain.
But the sauce is perfect.
And the sauce is very nice. So see you next time.
Several days later.
Hi guys, good morning. Today I have seminar presentation. I don't know if I'm going to present today, but I prepared myself in case. So art and farm classes so far have not been what I've been expecting. It's tough, it's difficult, it's strange words, it's all manner of things I've never ever seen in my life. The terms are strange, especially microbiology, pharmacology. I honestly don't know how I'm going to manage, but I have the Holy Spirit. Anyway, let me prepare and get to class.
The next day.
Your face is
I'm not seeing my.
Say hi.
Hi. I'm not seeing my this thing now.
Yeah, what?
Which way?
Choose the one that's not break a bit. That one is okay.
This one.
You say this one's how much? How much?
250.
Oh,
Anyone you like.
wow.
150.
Guys, we had to stop by to buy eggs. We believe that this lady accepted to sell a crate of eggs this big for 2,250.